morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone's doing well. I just want to say thank you to my old subscribers. Don't forget to like, share, comment below. Let me know what you would like and I try my best to bring that out to you. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers as well. Follow along because on this channel I do mainly Guyanese Caribbean recipes. Maybe sometime in the future I'll bring in other ones as well. But you have to let me know what you like to see down below in the comment section and I'll try my best to bring that out to you. Now guys, today I'm making the ever so famous Guyanese oil roti. Everybody wants to know how to get their roti oily and fluffy and soft. So follow along because as you guys know, my recipes are very simple. It's easy to follow and they're really quick as well. There's no really technique to doing this, but it requires very simple ingredients that you may already have in your kitchen. Just follow along, guys. Now, oil roti is something that you can have with just about anything. You can have it with curries, stews, tin corned beef, and stuff like that. You can even have it with peanut butter, guys. My husband eats oil roti with peanut butter. Nobody eats oil roti with peanut butter, but my husband does. That just goes to show you, like, you can literally have it with anything. So sit back, relax, and join me for this recipe, guys. Let's get into it. Now, guys, for the mixing of the dough, I'm going to be using all-purpose flour, baking powder, oil, a rolling pin, a knife, and a large bowl. Make sure you have a large bowl because when you're mixing, you're going to be needing that space for the mixing. Also, you have to wash your hands because we're going to be using our hands a lot. I just have a simple rolling pin, but there's the fancy ones that you can pick up at the home goods store or stores like Home Sense, or also you can even find maybe these simple ones at any Caribbean grocery stores. Now I'm going to get into the mixing and we're going to follow along so you guys can see how to mix the dough. I've just added my flour, my all-purpose flour to this bowl. Now I'm going to be adding the baking powder along with lukewarm water and then I'm going to start mixing. Now I do not use specific measurements, guys, but I'm going to be linking everything down in the description box so you guys know exactly what you have to use and the amount you have to use to get your results. I've just added my all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to be adding the baking powder. After doing that, I'm just going to mix it in so everything gets evenly distributed, and then I'm going to add my water and continue mixing. So when you're mixing your dough for roti, you want to make sure that it's really soft. I find when I do that, it makes my roti fluffy and it comes out really soft. I'm just going to continue mixing and swirling this around so everything gets mixed in evenly. When mixing this, guys, you want to make sure that everything comes to a form of a ball and then you're done. You don't need to mix this in really good because when you do that, it's going to start to get really tough. So just make sure as soon as it comes to a ball, as you can see here, I start cleaning my hands off and my mixing is done. Now, because the dough is sticky, I'm now going to add some flour on the surface of which I'm going to work, and then I'm going to start rolling my dough out and sectioning it off. Now guys, as you can see, I'm just getting some more flour so it's easy to handle, and I'm just going to tuck this in until it becomes really smooth, and then I'm going to roll this off. This is what the roti looks like after I have oiled and rolled it out. I'm now going to let this sit so the oil can soak in really good for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and roll this out and get ready for cooking. Now the next step and final step in preparing the roti is taking it, and then you're going to flour your surface because you have to roll the dough out right there. What I'm going to do is take some flour, just sprinkle it on, and now I'm going to roll my loaves out and get ready for making. So guys, you want to do this after your roti has been sitting for the past 10 to 15 minutes. Now, after rolling my loaves out, I heated my pan on medium and I just oiled it all around. Then after doing that, I placed my roti loaf into the pan, and now I'm just going to continue putting some oil on this, guys, and then I'm going to flip it over, oil it again, and then let this cook for about 3 minutes, and then it should be done. So guys, I flipped and oiled, and as you can see, it's a little bit brown. That's how we like our roti. And now I'm just going to let this cook for another 2 minutes, and then I'm going to take this down and start clapping. Well guys, there you have it. Some roti with fried baigan and potatoes with chicken. I'm going to have this for my lunch now. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!